Yeah, try these last two. Just get you getting all the way over that curve and see if you can handle it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, exactly.
And again.
And again.
Over it on
Yeah, but like that. Oh yeah, big time.
That there got me for cutting the track.
You were all four wheels over the yellow. you only need that inside wheel. Are you counting your money, Daniele?
Problem is, when you start to be too careful, then you also take the chance of getting run over. So that's the tricky part. Well, that was very average, but...
Well, the race starts when?
Oh, not for another 20 minutes nearly.
Oh, jeez. Just turn my fan up here. Got the fan in race mode.
I went to the rear on the bias just to start with the cold tires.
Okay, yeah, just...
Sorry, to the front.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, exactly, and just keep in mind that you could easily lock the rears if you're on push to pass or behind another car in the slipstream.
Yeah, well, you don't let me use push to pass, so...
Backing up.
We'll clear it if we need to.
Ready? Ready?
Green.
Green. Chilton ahead has damage from that checkup, FYI. Good size gap out the back. Clear on Wickens. Clear on Askew. Coming up. He's spinning. Of course.
They're on tires, don't worry. That'll teach him. You're trying to swerve.
Next one, Nazar.
Yeah.
Now we've probably got some stuff synced up.
No, you did. Just a little, you're right. Keep concentrating on your marks, you're doing good.
Sorry. On my sim, I'm in flight sim mode. Checklists.
You're quicker.
Let him go.
Yeah.
No!
Yeah, thanks, Lando. That was a good race from there. And you spun and came back to first. I spun 3 bloody times, but good job, man.
They might run out of gas.
No, we already crossed the line.
Oh, is it back there?
I think it's back there, I don't know.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, that spin cost us 3 spots.
Yeah. Damn it.